Took it on its first test drive. It did good. Better than I expected. Everything worked. Steering was great. Ride was way smoother than before. Way smoother. Drastic change. Very nice. It just kind of floats. It absorbs those bumps. So I did good. There's a couple things when I'm coming around a turn. It just does this, where it just kind of wants to keep going a little bit. Again, it hasn't been aligned yet, so I just took it around town. I was probably a 5-mile jaunt around town. Did good. I'm surprised. Surprised myself. I can definitely make it to the alignment shop, which is what I was worried about. So the only thing left to do is get her aligned, and then that's it. And then winter comes.